Right, hello guys, right, if you're new here, please do subscribe, please do leave us a like and a comment, I'll be sure to get back to you. Today we're going to go over this neat little pass combo. So please stay tuned if you wish to learn it. Right, so first of all, what you need to do, you need to start up on this shoulder here. So we're going to go into this grip, we're going to go into roughly holding it roughly on the centre of the stick, and we're going to put this on our right shoulder. Next of all, we're going to arc our hand, and to see how I'm making sort of a V pattern here. What you're going to do is you're going to angle that V pattern in the direction to be able to catch it, almost like a shark, yeah, grabbing a sailor off this diver board or something like that, yeah. From then, what you're going to do is you're going to throw this around and catch it around the back here. So it's almost this arm. So if I show you from here, so if I go 1, 2, I'm going to turn as I do this pass now. I'm bringing it up over past my neck. So imagine like I'm necking myself, and down here underneath my arm I'm catching it. So whoosh, whoosh. Yes. From here now, what we're going to do is we're just going to put the strike diagonally up and end up back on the shoulder. So you go. So it's a neat little strike, you know. It's quite basic as well. So it's for you newbies out there. It's just one in another strike. So we go boom, boom, boom. So yeah, in slow-mo. Yeah, so I hope this helps you out, and I'll see you next time, guys.